All right, I want you guys to pay attention to these numbers. This is how much my business brought in last year, so add those up. Okay? Plus maybe like another 10,000 or something that I made off of eBay. But anyway, so add all them up. Now the way I do this, you guys, is in under about 1 minute. I'll walk up to somebody's house and I'll knock on their door. Knock, knock, knock. Hello, my name is Nicholas. I'm with Southside Roofing. I'm just in the area right now because there's a big hailstorm. So right now is a great opportunity for you to get your roof, your windows, and your siding and your gutters, whatever else got damaged in the storm, replaced by your insurance company. Your only responsibility would be your deductible portion, usually around about $1,000. What I do is I do a free 10-minute inspection. I assess the property. I let you know if you fit the criteria for full roof replacement paid for by your insurance company. Now, hail and wind damage is written as an act of God, so they cannot raise your insurance rate based on that. So, is that something you're interested in? And they give me either a yes or a no. At that point, I either strike a deal with them or I get the fuck away from them. I don't try to persuade people. I don't twist their arms. I don't do none of that. If somebody's not interested, I get away from them so fucking fast so I can find somebody that is to pull these numbers. I don't really like to take leads. I like to pick areas and I like to pick the houses. I don't like to get sent randomly 45 minutes away to a house that got built last year that's been through one small hailstorm with no damage. I would rather go to a neighborhood 5 minutes away from me, pick a roof that's old that I know's been through 20 hailstorms, and get that one approved. I have a certain way that I do this, and if you guys are interested in this, then stick around. I'm going to show you. I don't waste time, though. I don't do that. I don't fucking drag feet. I don't waste time. None of that. I get right to it. You know? And that's what I'm going to teach you guys. I'm going to teach you how to get right to it. So I'm actually in the process of probably being one of the first people smart enough to merge hail and wind damage with solar panels. So as I'm getting these people their insurance to pay for their roof, I'm hitting them again and asking them, are they interested in also getting the solar panels? And then, there's all type of, there's grants, there's loans, there's this, there's that, there's tax credits, all kinds of different selling points that I'm going to hit them with. And everything I do is solid, though. Like, I don't twist people. I tell them what I can do and I do it. I just got another guy, $80,000 on that's just one job. That's the cost of the whole job, though. This is all my profit. But one job alone, it started at like 20. I got it up to damn near that number, damn near 80,000. And this isn't reflecting on these, but just trying to give you guys an example, man. But I don't want to confuse you either. But I'm going to be the first person to be doing both, selling solar and doing what I do. I don't even need to make any more money. I can make as much money as I need to. That's basically what I can do. But what it does, it puts you in higher tax brackets. Then you have to understand tax deductions and this, that. You owe the government. You got to, it's a responsibility, But I'll end up just putting everything into a trust and probably just saying I'm bankrupt eventually and not paying nobody nothing aside from the people that were in this game with me, But yeah, we'll see, how that goes. But yeah, man, that's what it is, man. I feel like solar panels, you know what? That could even outlive the industry I'm in, because I feel like the insurance company's been fighting back. We've been killing them, man. They don't like paying out this kind of money, man. We've been killing insurance companies, man. You know? State Farm especially. Now they don't want to pay nobody nothing. The last 2 years, they won't pay nobody nothing. It's really hard. I know how to get it done though, but it takes complaints to the Department of Commerce. It takes a lot of different things. You know, you got to set them things in motion to get them to approve your stuff. If you got State Farm, get away from State Farm. I would that's the best advice I could give anybody right now. Any type of homeowners, any type of, you know, the best insurance information I can give you or advice is get away from State Farm. I would go with Amica, Nationwide, or Allied. Make sure you have RCV, meaning replacement cost value. Make sure you have the matching endorsement, and make sure you have the cosmetic endorsement. And those are the three things that no homeowner knows about until it's too late. So I just really put y'all up on a lot of game. A lot of game.